Hello, welcome to How to Request a Book from OhioLINK. Before you begin a search, make sure that you are signed into your account. For help signing into your account using your University of Akron credentials, please view our How to Log In tutorial. We're going to start by searching for a book by title and use the OhioLINK search profile from the search bar menu. If you would like to learn more about search profiles, our tutorial How to Use Search Profiles will help. Here we have found our book. Let's click on the title to open the record view and scroll to the Get It from OhioLINK or Other Libraries section. In this section, click on Get It button and a Request Physical Version menu will appear. Choose your preferred pickup location from the provided list in the drop-down menu. Here, we will choose Bierce Library for the pickup location. Finally, click Send to submit your request. You will receive an email when the book arrives at your chosen pickup location, usually in 7 days. It is important to note here that our book request has a delivery time from OhioLINK of 7 days. This may not always be the case with other titles. Some books may take longer to complete the request if they come from outside OhioLINK. Let's explore what happens if you search for a book using a different search profile. Here we are searching for the same book title, but this time using the Everything search profile. We have a message at the top of the results. Didn't find what you're looking for? Click here to search beyond the University of Akron Library. Clicking that link will take you to a search using the Beyond My Library search profile. The search results will include items that are not owned by University of Akron libraries, but are available for patrons to request from other institutions. From here, you can follow the previous steps that we've just covered to submit your request. And congratulations, you know how to request a book from OhioLINK.